A great car audio system isn't just about powerful speakers. It also needs the right DSP amplifier to deliver clean sound, balanced frequencies, and better overall performance. Many factory audio systems lack clarity, bass control, and detailed tuning options. That's where DSP amplifiers make a huge difference. They combine amplification and digital sound processing to improve music quality, enhance vocals, and create a more immersive listening experience. Today, we'll explore the top 5 best DSP amplifiers you can consider for upgrading your car audio setup. Check the links below for the latest prices and details. Number 5. MAIMEIMI 4-channel DSP Car Power Amplifier Audio Processor. The MAIMEIMI 4-channel DSP Car Power Amplifier is an excellent choice for drivers looking to enhance their factory audio system without spending a fortune. Featuring a 4-channel design, it combines amplification and digital signal processing to improve clarity, bass response, and overall sound balance. It is specially designed to work well with Android head units and supports detailed tuning of treble and bass settings. The compact design makes installation easier in most vehicles, while the DSP technology helps reduce distortion and deliver cleaner, more enjoyable music during everyday driving. Number 4. AUTOSHARK Android Radio DSP Audio Processor. The AUTOSHARK DSP audio processor offers a powerful 4x80 watt output that significantly improves the performance of factory and aftermarket car audio systems. Designed for Android radio setups, it delivers stronger sound, clearer vocals, and more dynamic bass. The amplifier supports app-based controls, allowing users to fine-tune audio settings directly from compatible devices. Its advanced DSP processing helps optimize frequency response and create a more balanced listening experience. Whether you enjoy music, podcasts, or hands-free calls, this amplifier helps bring greater detail and power to every drive. Number 3. PUZU PZC7 Wiring Harness 4x150 watt car DSP amplifier. The PUZU PZC7 is a high-performance DSP amplifier built for users who want a serious audio upgrade. Delivering up to 4x150 watt output, it provides impressive power while maintaining clean and accurate sound reproduction. The included wiring harness simplifies installation for compatible vehicles, including select Hyundai and Volkswagen models. Advanced DSP tuning allows precise adjustment of frequencies, time alignment, and equalization settings. Whether you prefer deep bass, crisp vocals, or a balanced soundstage, the PZC7 offers extensive customization options that can transform your car's listening experience. Number 2. Q-PERTORS 300 watt power 4-channel amplifier. The Q-PERTORS 300 watt 4-channel amplifier is designed for users who want more volume, stronger bass, and improved sound quality from their car entertainment system. Compatible with stereo upgrades, DVD players, music players, and Android DSP large-screen devices, it offers versatile installation possibilities. Its 300 watt output provides enough power to drive speakers efficiently while maintaining audio clarity. The compact construction allows convenient placement inside many vehicles. For drivers seeking a reliable amplifier that delivers noticeable improvements in loudness and overall performance, this model offers excellent value. Number 1. Sennuopu DSM8 Car Audio DSP Amplifier. Taking the top spot is the Sennuopu DSM8, a feature-packed car audio solution that combines a 4-channel power amplifier with an advanced 8-channel DSP processor. It includes Bluetooth connectivity, giving users convenient wireless control and audio streaming capabilities. The powerful DSP system allows detailed equalizer adjustments, soundstage optimization, and precise tuning for different music styles. Designed for audiophiles and serious car audio enthusiasts, the DSM8 delivers exceptional clarity, powerful output, and impressive customization options. If you're looking for the most complete DSP amplifier package on this list, this is the one to beat. Upgrading your car audio system with a DSP amplifier can dramatically improve clarity, bass response, and overall listening quality. These 5 models offer a range of features, power levels, and tuning capabilities to suit different budgets and needs. Whether you want a simple sound upgrade or a fully customizable audio experience, there's a DSP amplifier here for you. Let us know which one is your favorite, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.